today's video we will see how to update the PS5 system software manually. Fourth system update. So the step 1, prepare the USB drive. Insert a USB flash drive into your Windows PC or Mac. Format the USB drive as FAT32 or exFAT. Keep in mind that formatting will erase all existing data on the drive. Then open the USB drive and create a new folder named PS5. Use uppercase letter. Instead the PS folder. Create another folder named update, also in uppercase. Sony recommend using these extra folder names for the console to detect the update correctly. Step 2. Download the PS5 system software update. Visit the official PlayStation support page for PS5 system software update. Under Update System Software, download the PS5 console update file. Do not download the reinstallation file unless you instead to completely reinstall the system software and erase all data. Now save the downloaded file inside the update folder you created on the USB drive. Ensure the file is named exactly ps5 update.pup. All are in uppercase. Then safely eject the USB drive from your computer after the download is complete. Good. And step 3, install the update on PS5. So turn off your PS5 completely. Make sure it's powered off, not in rest mode. Insert the USB drive into one of the PS USB port and then enter the safe mode by pressing and holding the power button, and release only after you hear the second beep, about 7 seconds after the first. Then connect your DualSense controller to the console using a USB cable and press the PS button. Now from the safe mode menu, select update system software and choose update from USB storage device. Then select OK to begin the installation. Now wait for the update to finish. The console may restart several times during the process. Do not turn off the PS5 or remove the USB drive until the installation is complete. Goodbye and thanks for watching.